Hello everyone, I'm Shivaj Grover and welcome to my channel Paint 3D Tutorials. So in this video, I'll be telling you about how to create an intro video for your video or for your YouTube channel. So in this video, we'll be mainly focusing on the advanced text editing. So here we begin. So first of all, you need to select the background of your intro video. So we can go to sample colors and we can select any background color here. For example, I'll take this one. So we'll simply drag it and put it here, and I'll increase its duration to about 10 seconds. Now we're gonna add the title of our channel name or anything. So we're gonna go to titles, and then from titles we're gonna select this default title. We're gonna drag it here. Now after you've done this, then drag this till the duration of the sample color which you've added. Now we'll double click on the text here in the previewing area, and now we're gonna write our channel name. For example, I'll write my channel name here, which is Paint 3D Tutorials. So here's my channel name, and if I want to change the font of my text, so I can change from here. Here are a lot of fonts, so I think I'll go with this one. So for me this is nice, and I'll select the font 72, and I'll make my text bold. So this is the raw editing which we've done till now, the simple editing, and after this we'll be going to the advanced text editing. So if you want to rotate your text, you can do it from here. If you want to scale, you want to position your text, you can do it from here. And this is the blending mode which I'll be telling you about in my next video. See, here are a lot of preset texts also. So if you want to select some text from here, text style from here, you can choose it from here also. For example, if I select this, it will change into this, so I'll be selecting this. Now if we go to advanced option, we need to click on advanced, and then we need to click on the text here. So this editing is an advanced text editing where you can add shadow, you can add border to your text, and also you can change color, you can add many effects. So for me this effect is fine, and if you want to select your own effect, your choice effect, then you can select any effect from here. And if you want to reduce your text's opacity, then you have to reduce it from here. You can reduce it from here, you can increase it from here. You want to make it blur, you can make it blur from here. And if I want to now add the text border, so I need to click the checkbox here, and I can select the color border which I want. For example, I'll take dark blue, and I'll increase the size of my text border. See, and if I want to blur it, so I can increase the blur from here, but for me this much is fine, 4. And next we can also add a text shadow. I'll be taking this also as dark blue, and I'll be increasing its opacity a little bit. I'll blur it, and I'll increase its distance. So this was all you can do on the text. And if you want to add its animation, for example, if you want to show it as evaporating, or you want to show the text as it is fading, or some bounce animation, so you can take from here. So here I'll be taking the fade slide 3, so I'll be selecting this. So now I'll show you the preview of this animation. See, so this is the animation of my text. Now I'll add some shapes and images to my intro. So how do I add a shape here? So we'll go to this button, add shape, and we'll select any shape from here. For example, I'll take this shape, but we don't want text in the shape. So what we'll do is we'll remove the text from the shape. I just want this rectangle, so I'll drag it to my text here. And also you can put animation to your shape. So I'll be taking here string blur. So now we'll add an image from this button, add image button. I had already selected some images from Google and had removed their backgrounds. So I'll be adding the images now. So here I have added all the images and now I'll be placing them. So I'll be taking this image and place it here. I'll be taking this laptop image, I'll reduce it a little bit and I'll drag it here. I'll take the headset from here till here and I'll reduce the size. And I'll take this Filmora logo and drag it here. So all these images which you can see here define what I do on my channel, or what is the type of content available on my channel. So now we can also put animation to all these images. So for the headset, I'll be taking the flip. So you need to double click and this is the type of animation which will be there on the headset. For the Filmora logo, I'll be taking flip up 2. For the Paint 3D logo, I'll be taking flip down 1. And for the laptop, I'll be taking flip down 2. So now if you want to see the whole preview of the intro which you've created till now, you need to click on play button. So this is the type of intro which you'll get when you create this. So after doing all this, you need to click on OK. And see, your intro is ready. But one thing which is left is our audio. So here are a lot of audios which you can add. So I'll be I'll select this one and I'll drag this here. I'll reduce the size of the clip. So now we're gonna play it. So this was how you can create intros for your videos on Filmora. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and also press the bell icon. Thank you.